to editing 24/7. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change name in Canva. It's a very quick and simple step. All you have to do is follow along. So this is the Canva page over here. We have to go to the home page. So this is exactly where we are supposed to be. This is the home page right here. All you have to do is go in the top corner, right corner, and there you can see your profile icon, and there you have to go to the setting option, which is right over here. Let's tap in there, and this is where you can edit all your personal information, like that is linked to your account. Here is the profile photo, and this is exactly where you can edit your name. It's written Robert right now. You can hit this edit option at the side. Now let's change it to something like, okay, let's write out channel name, that is editing 24/7. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. So yeah, simply tap the save option, and there you go. Your name has been changed to editing 24/7. You can obviously put your own name. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.